Hey, this is Nellie's Farm. It's June 3rd, I believe, 2024. It's a beautiful day in northeast Alabama. It's just a little cloudy today. We've had a lot of storms on and off the last few days. Yep, I knew she was going to start that right when I start my video. It never fails. I want to tell you guys about a crazy company right now that is changing the way we eat. Now, the global demand for plant-based foods is obviously increasing. They are upping the prices on everything. Kind of strange, huh? How the mysterious chicken factories are just catching on fire, explosions at dairy farms, and they're kind of hurting people towards that. And I have my own thoughts about that because I am very choosy about my diet, but that's another story completely. Now there is a company called, get this, Moolec, Moolec. This company is taking plants and putting the DNA from pork and beef and putting them into the plants to grow plants that taste like meat. Now, this sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it is not. It is real. It's absolutely real. Their description on their website says, a science-based food ingredient company focused on the use of molecular farming technology. They're calling it, they say, Moolec's technology allows us to include animal proteins, gene, DNA codes inside the genome of the main plant parts used in food. Each protein is selected to add value in terms of targeted functionality like taste, texture, and nutritional values. Well, in my opinion, if plants were supposed to taste like meat, wouldn't they already taste that way? And these are obviously genetically modified plants, which are in itself, dangerous, no matter what they say. All the tests and everything that come back on lab rats and even bigger animals that were fed exclusively GMO foods, they all developed huge cancer tumors and died. And a lot of times where I live, the ignorance is so astounding here. They want the seedless stuff. They want it. We have nothing here. Well, right now I have really no choices because my Jeep is still broke down after 7 weeks, guys. I don't know. I lost track of the weeks, honestly. But that's that's where we're at right now. They're picking and choosing the food that they want us to eat. So this is crazy, Now they claim that the value stays the same. It says, we grow crops keeping original plant proteins, including animal ones. We scale by using traditional farming techniques, and we recover both together through traditional downstream processes. So we're supposed to think that, these are farmed just like they have been, plants have been for hundreds of years, blah, 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 so it must be okay, right? Just a little different now. Some of us are more educated than to believe that garbage. So, their purpose, their company purpose, it is to redefine the way we produce animal-based food for good and for all. That was a quote on their website. For good? For all? Well, if something is being forced upon you, okay, do you think that's good? It's probably not. If they're making your food choices for you and changing the way food was originally intended to be, that's probably not a good thing. Pork in itself is not a good thing. There's a reason, that the Israelites were told not to eat pork. It is the closest animal to humans, to human meat and flesh. And that is why, not too long ago, a guy got a pig heart and he lived a few months. No other animal, they can do that with. It is really thick right here, guys. I have found some mushrooms lately around here. I'm still learning to identify them, so I don't eat them or anything. But I would if they were morels, though. But I haven't found any of them, so yet. I should say yet. So I wanted to share that disturbing information with you and note, the actual name of the company, Moolec. So isn't that crazy? I have a few other videos I've been wanting to do. Really, really important ones for some time now. And I'm going to try to get that one done today too. I say that, but then it usually doesn't end up happening. And as far as my Jeep goes, I can't remember your name. I'm really sorry, but a lady sent me or tried to send me something in my post office box, and it was sent back to her. And it shouldn't have been. It should have at the very least, it should have been forwarded to my home address, and they didn't even do that. So I didn't know, until she left a comment. I can't find where she did that, so I'm just saying this right now. If you're listening, I thank you. And I'm sorry that happened. I appreciate, you thinking of me. I did call the post office, and they said they don't know why that happened, blah, 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 and they checked my account and said, oh, well, it should be fine now or whatever. So, but I can't get to the post office anyway right now. I can't even get to a Dollar General. And now I find out the other day I was supposed to have something delivered. It was something from Amazon because that's all I have, now. I can't even get the basics because I've been broke down so long, and I live way, way out. I'm 15 miles from a Dollar General, 30 miles total, approximately. And from town, the nearest actual grocery store is a lot farther. So I don't have anybody. And when I say I don't have anybody, I mean I don't have anybody to take me anywhere. So, I do have a PayPal account, and I'm going to put that link up. And besides this lady, this sweet woman, a Facebook friend of mine actually sent me a donation, James, and those are the only two so far. So I don't make any money off of these. I think I see mushrooms way back there, guys. Something so thick now. And I guess I'm not I'm not able to sign up to get revenue from YouTube yet. So even though there's ads playing sometimes on my video, I'm not getting reimbursed for that. And I think that's not right, but nothing I can really do about it. But anyway, I don't ever ask for much unless I absolutely need it. And I'm doing my fundraiser still to get my Jeep fixed. So my son is working on it slowly as much as he can. He is very, very chronically sick. And it's a daily struggle for him. I have the same thing, but I have it more under control. I'm just trying to get a look at them white things over there. I'm wondering if those are some mushrooms. This is a great area for them, guys. I have found quite a few mushrooms. I have a video I did not long ago about mushrooms I found, but I found some after that too. So I just wanted to let you know about this company, and I ask that you share out my videos because that way more people will get to know what is going on. It's I guess you could call it Frankenfood. It sounds so unbelievable, but it's real, and it's not good. I think that we should leave Mother Nature alone and leave plants the way the Creator made them and intended them to be, don't you? But anyway, I'm glad I have finally got this info out to you guys. And I hope you've had a great weekend. And thanks for watching. Nellie's Farm signing off. Oh, Pepper says hello.